Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I hope you all are doing well. Dear friends, at the time of death, 5 angels come to every person and say certain words. What are those words? What does the deceased feel when they are taken to the graveyard? To find out, watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Let's begin. In Islamic terminology, death is the end of worldly life and the gateway to the life hereafter, known as akhirah. Death signifies the separation of the soul from the physical body and marks the soul's transition from this worldly life to its journey towards the eternal hereafter. Whoever is born into this world must inevitably succumb to death. This is a manifestation of Allah's divine decree. While there may be numerous purposes for coming into this world, there is no purpose for leaving it. Everyone must taste the inevitability of death and enter the dark realm of the grave. Be it rich or poor, king or beggar, death is inevitable for every soul. There is no escape from it. The Almighty Allah says, "Kullu nafsin da'iqatul maut." Every soul shall taste death. Surah Al-Imran, verse 185. It is mentioned in the hadith sharif that when a person's final moments approach and the time for the soul to depart draws near, 5 angels appear before them. The first angel comes to the person when their soul begins to leave the body. The angel asks, "O child of Adam, where has your strong body gone today? How weak you have become now. Where is your ability to speak loudly? Today, you are completely silent, having lost that power. Where are your home, parents and relatives? Who has separated you from them today?" When the shroud is placed over the person, the second angel approaches and asks, "O child of Adam, where have all the possessions you amassed throughout your life gone? Where is the house or shelter you built to protect yourself from natural disasters?" When the funeral prayer is offered for the person, the third angel approaches and asks, "O child of Adam, today you are embarking on a long journey, one you have never taken before. Today you will meet someone you have never encountered before. You are being sent to a place you have never been to before. If you are saved from Allah's judgment, it will be a great joy for you. But if Allah is displeased with you and you fail to be protected from His judgment, it could bring you immense suffering." When the person is buried in the grave, the fourth angel approaches and asks, "O child of Adam, yesterday you walked upon the earth, but today you are buried within it. Yesterday you laughed and made jokes upon the earth, but today you are crying within it. Yesterday you committed sins upon the earth, but today you lie helplessly within it." When the soil is placed over the grave and his friends, relatives and family leave him behind, the fifth angel approaches and asks, "O child of Adam, those people have buried you in the grave and left. Even if they had stayed with you, they could not have helped you. You committed many sinful acts in your life. Today you will either be sent to paradise or be cast into the blazing fire of hell." Honorable viewers, our life is indeed very strange. No one except Allah knows when and how our death will come. The purpose of our existence in this world is to worship Allah, perform righteous deeds, and do good actions. We must stay away from sinful deeds and wrong actions. Since we have taken birth, we must inevitably taste death. Death is the end of worldly life and the gateway to the afterlife, akhirah. According to Islamic belief, the time and place of every creature's death are preordained, and only Allah knows the exact moment of their passing. Every Muslim hopes that their final words will be the testimony of their faith, the special kalima. "I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah." So friends, how did you find this event? Please do let us know in the comment box. That's all for today. Stay well, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.